Hello friends, this is Ms. Hart and we're going to learn about the different parts of a poem. So the first one is rhyme, words that sound alike, such as mat and cat. Repetition, using the same word, line, or stanza 2 or more times in a poem. Lines, a single row of words in a poem. And stanza, a group of lines in a poem. So today we're going to look at a poem called Maxie and the Taxi. Maxie drove a taxi with a beep, 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 and he picked up all the people in a heap, heap, heap. He took them to the farm to see the sheep, sheep, sheep. Then Maxie and the taxi went to sleep, sleep, sleep. So notice in this poem, there are some rhyming words. So I wrote the poem up on the whiteboard. So some rhyming words that I notice in this poem are Maxie and taxi, beep, heap, sheep, and sleep all rhyme. And then we have Maxie and taxi again. Let's see, repetition. The word beep, 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 heap, 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 sheep, 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 and sleep, sleep, sleep are repeated. And then in this poem, so lines are a single row of words in a poem. So that's 1 line, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this particular poem, there are 8 lines. And then a stanza, notice how in the poem, there are 4 different chunks. So in this poem, there are 4 stanzas. So we got stanza 1, stanza 2, 3, and 4. All right, so now I'm gonna read another poem, and I want you guys to figure out the rhyming words, repetition, lines, and stanzas. So Big Bad Billy. Big Bad Billy had a button on his tum. Big Bad Billy said, "I'm gonna have some fun." Big Bad Billy gave a tug and then a shout, and Big Bad Billy pulled his belly button out. So, can you come up with some rhyming words? Is there any repetition in the poem? How many lines are there? And how many stanzas are there? So again, just a review for the different parts of a poem. There's rhyme, words that sound alike, like mat and cat, and not all poems have to have rhyming words in them. Repetition, using the same word, line, or stanza 2 or more times in a poem. So in Maxie and the Taxi, some repetition was Maxie, taxi, beep, heap, sheep, and sleep. Lines, a single row of words in a poem. So in our poem, we had 8 lines. And then stanza, a group of lines in a poem. So in this poem, there were 4 stanzas.